Hi Maya, how are you?
I'm good, Alex. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. Where are you going?
I'm going to the library.
Why are you going there?
I have to return some books.
Have you finished reading them?
Yes, they were very interesting.
What are you doing after that?
I'm meeting a friend for coffee.
Where will you meet her?
At the new cafe near the park.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it.
How many cups do you drink a day?
Usually one or two.
What time do you wake up?
Around 6:30 in the morning.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I go for a walk every day.
How long do you walk?
For about 30 minutes.
Do you listen to music while walking?
Yes, it keeps me motivated.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and soft rock.
Do you play any instruments?
No, but I want to learn guitar.
That's cool. Where do you live?
I live in Bangalore.
Who do you live with?
I live with my parents.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one younger brother.
What does he do?
He studies in college.
What do your parents do?
My father is a teacher, and my mother is a nurse.
What do you do, Maya?
I'm a graphic designer.
Do you work from home?
Yes, most of the time.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I really enjoy it.
When do you usually start work?
I start around 9 o'clock.
Do you take a lunch break?
Yes, at 1 p.m.
What do you eat for lunch?
Usually rice and vegetables.
Do you cook your own food?
Sometimes, when I have time.
What's your favorite dish?
I love pasta.
Can you cook pasta well?
Yes, I'm pretty good at it.
Do you like spicy food?
Not too spicy.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Bread, eggs, and milk.
Do you drink tea or coffee in the morning?
Coffee, always.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 11 p.m.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep for about 7 hours.
Do you use your phone before sleeping?
Sometimes, to watch videos.
What kind of videos do you watch?
English learning and travel videos.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
Which place did you visit last?
I went to Goa last month.
Did you like it?
Yes, it was beautiful.
Do you like beaches?
Yes, very much.
Have you ever been abroad?
No, not yet.
Which country do you want to visit?
I want to visit Japan.
Why Japan?
Because I love their culture and food.
Do you like sushi?
Yes, it's delicious.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I read every night.
What kind of books do you read?
Mostly novels and self-help books.
Who is your favorite author?
I like Paulo Coelho.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, on weekends.
What's your favorite movie?
The Pursuit of Happiness.
Why do you like it?
It's very emotional and inspiring.
Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I watch them when I'm free.
What show are you watching now?
Friends, it's so funny.
Do you prefer comedy or drama?
Comedy, for sure.
What do you do in your free time?
I listen to music or draw.
Are you good at drawing?
Yes, I've been drawing since childhood.
That's great. Do you paint too?
Yes, sometimes.
What colors do you like most?
Blue and green.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I love it.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer winter.
Why winter?
Because I like wearing warm clothes.
Do you drive a car?
No, I use public transport.
Do you have a bike?
No, not yet.
How do you go to work?
By bus.
Is it far from your home?
About 5 kilometers.
How long does it take?
Around 20 minutes.
Do you listen to music on the way?
Yes, always.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, it's interesting.
Are you a shy person?
Not really.
Do you like to talk a lot?
Yes, I'm quite talkative.
Do you like pets?
Yes, I love dogs.
Do you have one?
Yes, his name is Bruno.
How old is he?
He's 2 years old.
Do you take him for walks?
Every morning.
What does he eat?
Dog food and sometimes chicken.
That's nice. Do you like weekends?
Of course, who doesn't?
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and watch movies.
Do you go shopping often?
Not really, only when needed.
Do you like online shopping?
Yes, it's easy and fast.
What did you buy recently?
A new pair of shoes.
Do you like fashion?
Yes, I love dressing well.
Do you wear glasses?
No, I don't need them.
What's your favorite color to wear?
I like wearing black.
Do you wear makeup?
Just a little.
What's your plan for tonight?
I'll cook dinner and watch a movie.
Sounds relaxing. Are you happy today?
Yes, I'm really happy.
That's great. Have a nice day, Maya.
Thank you, Alex, you too.